Hello dear friends, today we shall learn about exercises of noun and its kinds. Here we shall see the exercises and what kind of noun is used in these exercises. Today, so first exercise, the crowd was very big. Here, crowd is an collective noun. Always speak the truth. Truth is abstract noun in this exercise. Always speak the truth. Next, third exercise. We all love honesty. Honesty is also abstract noun in this exercise. Our class. Class is common noun and 20 pupils is countable noun and also collective noun. The elephant is proper noun, common noun, and strength is abstract noun. In this exercise, sixth exercise, Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Here, Solomon is a proper noun, and his wisdom is abstract noun. Seventh exercise, cleanliness is next to goodliness. Here, two nouns are there in this exercise, cleanliness and goodliness. Cleanliness is abstract noun and goodliness is also abstract noun in this exercise. Eighth exercise, we show a fleet of ships. Fleet of ships is a collective noun and harbor is proper noun. The harbor is proper noun in this exercise. Ninth exercise, the class is studying grammar. Here, class is collective noun and grammar is an abstract noun. Tenth exercise, the Godavari is a proper noun. Overflows its banks every year. Godavari is proper noun in this exercise. 11th exercise, a committee of 5 was appointed. Here, committee is collective noun. In 12th exercise, Jawaharlal Nehru is a proper noun. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So, Prime Minister of India is common noun. In 13th exercise, the soldiers is collective noun, were rewarded for their bravery. Bravery is a abstract noun in this exercise. 14th exercise, without health is abstract noun in this exercise. There is no happiness. Happiness is also an abstract noun in this exercise. 15th exercise, he gave me a bunch of grapes. Here, bunch of grapes is collective noun in this exercise. 16th exercise, I recognize your voice. Voice is abstract noun in this exercise. 17th exercise, our team is better than theirs. Team is common noun or collective noun. Second, 18th exercise, never tell a lie. Lie is abstract noun in this exercise. 19th exercise, wisdom is better than strength. Here two nouns in this exercise. First is wisdom. Wisdom is abstract noun and strength is also an abstract noun. 20th exercise, he sets a high value on his time. Here value is an abstract noun. I believe in his innocence. Innocence here is abstract noun. This room is common noun. This room is where this room is common noun. This room is 30 feet in length. Here length is abstract noun. 23rd exercise. I often think of the happy days of childhood. Childhood is one state of mind. Therefore, it is an abstract noun. 24th exercise. The streets of some of our cities are noted for their crookedness. Crookedness is an abstract noun in this exercise. The streets of some of our cities is common noun. What is your verdict? Verdict is an abstract noun. Gentlemen of the jury. What is your verdict? Gentleman is common noun and jury is collective noun. There are three nouns in this exercise or 25th exercise. So, students, we have seen here many kinds of nouns and its proper identification. It is taken from Wren and Martin grammar. You can also exercise from this exercise. So we will see again with next video.